Welcome back to Auto Nihon, where performance meets luxury on four wheels. Today, we're diving deep into one of the most anticipated high-performance SUVs of 2026, the BMW X5M. While it's not getting a full redesign just yet, this powerhouse is still packed with enough muscle and tech to make your heart race. So buckle up, because we're about to explore everything that makes the 2026 BMW X5M a true beast in disguise. Let's start under the hood, shall we? The 2026 BMW X5M continues to carry forward its legendary 4.4-liter twin-power turbo V8 engine, now paired with a mild hybrid system for added efficiency and punch. This monstrous setup churns out an eye-watering 617 horsepower and 553 pound-feet of torque, making it one of the most potent SUVs on the market. With all that power sent through an 8-speed sport automatic transmission and BMW's intelligent MX-Drive all-wheel drive system, you can expect blistering acceleration from 0 to 60 mph in just 3.7 seconds. And if you opt for the M Drivers package, the top speed climbs to an impressive 177 miles per hour. That's supercar territory, folks! Now let's talk looks, because the 2026 X5M doesn't just perform, it demands attention. For this model year, BMW has stuck with the aggressive and muscular styling cues that define the M lineup. Think bold front and rear bumpers, those unmistakable quad exhaust tips, and staggered wheels that scream track ready. While some might say the design hasn't changed much, there's no denying how sharp and purposeful it feels. But don't worry, if you're craving something fresher, the next-gen G95 model arriving in 2027 promises a sleeker, more modern look inspired by BMW's Neue Klasse design language. Step inside, and you'll find yourself surrounded by cutting-edge technology and premium materials. The centerpiece is the stunning curved display, combining a 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster with a massive 14.9-inch infotainment screen running iDrive 8.5. It's intuitive, responsive, and absolutely beautiful. You also get M-specific seats designed to keep you firmly planted during spirited drives, while luxurious touches like soft closed doors and ventilated front seats elevate the comfort level. Oh, and did I mention the optional heated cooled cup holders? Because even your coffee deserves VIP treatment. Safety and convenience are top priorities here. Standard driver assistance features include frontal collision warning, active blind spot detection, and lane departure warning. And if you want to go all out, the executive package adds goodies like massaging seats, gesture control, and even a panoramic sunroof. But what really sets the X5M apart is how seamlessly it blends everyday practicality with jaw-dropping performance. Whether you're hauling groceries or hitting the racetrack, this SUV does it all without breaking a sweat. Now, let's address the elephant in the room: fuel economy. With great power comes, well, you know. The 2026 X5M returns around 13 mpg city, 18 mpg highway, and 15 mpg combined. Not exactly eco-friendly, but hey, when you've got 617 horses under the hood, compromises must be made. But here's the exciting part. The next generation X5M, set to debut in 2027, could bring major changes. Rumors suggest a plug-in hybrid V8 option similar to the M5 and XM, plus fully electric variants like the iX5 M70. Imagine zero-emission performance wrapped in a sleek new design. The future is looking bright. So there you have it. The 2026 BMW X5M may not be a complete overhaul, but it remains a force to be reckoned with. From its thunderous V8 engine to its tech-laden interior, this SUV proves that brute strength and refined luxury can coexist harmoniously. If you're ready to experience the ultimate blend of power, precision, and prestige, the 2026 BMW X5M should definitely be on your radar. What do you think? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe for more automotive awesomeness.